Building a budget-friendly PC can be a daunting task, but with the right components, you can create a powerful and efficient gaming machine without breaking the bank. In this article, we'll count down the top 7 best budget PCs that offer impressive performance and value for your money. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and let's get started. Number 7. Acer Aspire TC885UA92. Elevate your productivity and entertainment with the Acer Aspire TC885UA92 desktop computer. This powerful desktop features a 9th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 12 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB HDD for ample storage. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card provides smooth gaming performance and crisp visuals. The Aspire TC885UA92 boasts a sleek and modern design with a compact footprint that fits seamlessly into any workspace. The desktop features 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and an HDMI port for connecting peripherals and displays. The Acer Aspire TC885UA92 also comes with a range of convenient features, including a DVD-RW drive, a USB-C port, and a headset jack. The desktop runs on Windows 10 Home, providing access to a wide range of apps and services. With its impressive performance, stylish design, and comprehensive features, the Acer Aspire TC885UA92 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful desktop computer for work or play. Number 6. Lenovo IdeaCenter 310S. The Lenovo IdeaCenter 310S is a powerful and affordable all-in-one PC designed to meet the needs of everyday users. With a sleek and slim design, it's perfect for small spaces or as a stylish addition to your home or office. This desktop features a 23.8-inch Full HD display, perfect for streaming movies, browsing the web, and working on documents. Under the hood, the IdeaCenter 310S is powered by up to 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. With Windows 10 Home, you'll have access to a wide range of applications and tools. The PC also comes with a range of connectivity options, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and Ethernet. With its user-friendly interface and affordable price point, the Lenovo IdeaCenter 310S. Number 5. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Take your gaming experience to the next level with the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop, designed to deliver intense performance and stunning visuals. Powered by a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor, this desktop boasts a fast 8 GB of DDR4 memory and a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, ensuring smooth gameplay and graphics rendering. The Pavilion Gaming Desktop features a sleek and modern design with a compact tower that fits seamlessly into any home or office setup. With multiple USB ports and an HDMI output, you can easily connect your peripherals and display devices. The desktop also comes with a range of storage options, including a 1 TB hard drive and a 256 GB solid-state drive (SSD), providing ample space for your games, files, and programs. Additional features include a customizable LED lighting system, allowing you to personalize the look of your desktop to match your gaming style. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is also equipped with advanced cooling technology, ensuring optimal performance and reduced noise levels. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious enthusiast, this desktop is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming experience. Number 4. Dell Inspiron 3671. The Dell Inspiron 3671 is a powerful and versatile desktop computer designed to meet the demands of modern users. With a compact and sleek design, this desktop is perfect for home offices, small businesses, or students. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, it delivers fast performance and efficient multitasking capabilities. The 8 gigabytes of RAM ensures smooth operation, even with multiple applications running simultaneously. The desktop comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive, providing ample storage space for your files, documents, and multimedia content. The Inspiron 3671 also features a range of connectivity options, including USB ports, HDMI ports, and an Ethernet port. With Windows 10 operating system, you'll have access to all the latest features and apps. Additionally, the desktop's energy-efficient design helps reduce your power consumption and environmental impact. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the Dell Inspiron 3671 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and powerful desktop computer. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO A540. The Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO A540 is a sleek and powerful all-in-one desktop designed to simplify your computing experience. With its stunning 23.8-inch Full HD display, you'll enjoy crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it perfect for work, play, or entertainment. The A540's slim design and compact footprint make it ideal for small spaces, while its robust performance ensures seamless multitasking and fast loading times. Equipped with up to 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte hard drive, the A540 provides the power you need to tackle demanding tasks. With integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, you'll also enjoy smooth gaming and multimedia performance. Plus, with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, you'll have access to advanced features like Windows Defender and Microsoft Office apps. The A540 also features dual USB-C ports, an HDMI output, and a webcam with facial recognition for enhanced security. Experience the ultimate all-in-one desktop with the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO A540. Number 2. MSI Trident. Introducing the MSI Trident X, a revolutionary gaming PC that redefines the boundaries of power and portability. This sleek and compact device is designed to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience, whether you're playing the latest titles or streaming your favorite content. The MSI Trident X features a powerful 9th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics, and up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. With this level of performance, you can play the most demanding games at high frame rates and resolutions, without any lag or stuttering. The Trident X also boasts a stunning 15-point. Number 1. Dell Inspiron Tower. The Dell Inspiron Tower is a powerful and versatile desktop computer designed to meet your daily needs. With its sleek and compact design, it's perfect for home or office use. The Inspiron Tower features a robust Intel processor, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a spacious hard drive or solid-state drive, providing ample storage and fast performance. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals on the high-definition display with wide viewing angles and vibrant colors. The Inspiron Tower also comes with a range of ports and connectivity options, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet, making it easy to connect your devices and peripherals. Additionally, it features a built-in webcam, microphone, and speakers for seamless video conferencing and entertainment. With Windows 10 operating system, you'll have access to a wide range of apps and features, including Microsoft Office, Skype, and more. Plus, with Dell's exclusive support options, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're protected with expert assistance and warranty coverage. Whether you're working, gaming, or simply enjoying your favorite content, the Dell Inspiron Tower is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable desktop computer. So guys, that's all for the Top 7 Best Budget PCs. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.